Hello, everyone. Welcome to the channel. I really appreciate you stopping by. And if this is your first time here, my name is Leo, and I teach a lot of organic traffic, paid traffic, tools, reviews, stuff like that on the internet. There's a lot of tools and software out there. I like to give people the best advice from my knowledge and my experience. So, just in case you want to get it, stay till the end of this video because I'm going to show you another traffic source. You probably heard about it already, but I want to kind of show you what I've been doing, um, and show you where it's going. Show you what the goal is. Also, leave comments below. Leave some comments below this because I like to engage and talk to people just around the world. Everyone, it's pretty cool. And also, there's going to be a training along with a few other links in the description. Now, this training is cool because if you're doesn't matter what field you're in entrepreneurship. You could be into real estate. You could be into fitness, politician, just a marketer, affiliate marketing, whatever it may be. All this training is in the description below this. Go ahead and click it, and you're going to have to opt in. You're going to have to opt in, and you can schedule a call with me if you like. However, you don't have to. If you like the training, great. If you do not like it, you can opt out whenever you feel like it. So don't let a bad day make you think you have a bad life. And just a disclaimer, real quick: you can make money with this. There is a good way you can make money on it. I like to say potentially because you have to do the work. It takes work. You might hit some failure roadblocks, and it happens. So also, go ahead and hit the notification button and subscribe if you like this video. All you have to do is hit that bell and you will get notified of further videos coming up. So let's move forward with this. Now, I want to talk to you about Quora. A lot of you know Quora already. You've probably seen a few other videos on it. Now, let me tell you what happened. I lost my login. I had to make another account with my phone. I used my phone to promote my new blog, which is in the adult industry. So can't really talk much about that one because that one's different. And you just got to get creative when you build your stuff. Pick your niches and just build. So and things will start showing up pretty good. So let me kind of show you where we're at with this. Quora gets, and I'm gonna kind of zoom in because Quora gets a lot of traffic, everyone. 543.70 million monthly visits. And I like answering questions. I'm not sure if you do, but I do. It's actually fun. So United States, India, United Kingdom. I mean, you see all the numbers right here. They're pretty good. And let's move forward. So this is this is me, of course. And if we were to go to my up here, I do have my YouTube channel right here. In case they want to go check out some of my content here on YouTube. I also I'm active right now in 6 spaces on here. I'll get to those spaces here in a little while on what you can do in them. So, and then my monthly content views. Now, I have been notified before that I was the highest delivering of answering and content on here. So that was a while back though, but I've been getting more active in here, especially on this one. So let's right here is one of my spaces. I just barely started getting active on this like yesterday, and it's going to build up. You're going to see how quick it's going to build up. I will leave these links in the description below. Also, this is what I want to show right here. When people ask questions, you could answer them. Now, sometimes if your answer is long enough, you can post your links in there. I would only do like one or two links. I wouldn't overdo it because that just does not look right to this platform. They will see it and they will not like it. So I wouldn't do that. So the good thing is, like for this one right here, if I was going to put what is email marketing, what is the okay right here. If I was going to answer this question, I would go to answer, and then I would go to my article that I have ready right here, I would paste it in there. How to write persuasive sales copy and email marketing. So somebody could use this information. That this information I got right here is new, and there's a couple little things I gotta fix, but it's 100% unique. And let's say I had a product to promote, like let's say I wanted to benefits of, let's say like this right here. No, not that. I would want to use like a put in your own words, awesome, don't tell. Start with the first benefit, a persuasive copy. So let's say I had an ebook that I was promoting. I could go right there, go down here or right here, and hit link. When I click that, I put my link in there and I push add, and then I go next, and now it has my link in there. Now you don't want to overdo it. I have seen people overdo it, and surprisingly, the content stays there. I mean, so I only go with two. That's just me. If you want to do three, four, just be aware of that. And also, I'm not going to share this right now. I'll do it later. But that's how easy it is. And also, you could put your hashtags in there on the very bottom. Whatever the product is, like hashtag email marketing, hashtag sales persuasion, stuff like that. So you can do that here on this. And also, once you get pretty creative on here, it gives you your place where you could add your own space. So right now I have 7 contributors. I reached out once I created this. I reached out to all these people who are contributors, and I sent them an invite to see if they want to swing by. And a lot of them have different uh, talents and skills that I don't have. Like, I'm not an SEO expert. I've taken courses on it. Um, I'm not the best at it, but I pretty much know. I would say about I'm at 75%. So you don't have to know everything, because this guy right here, he knows SEO. A couple other people know email marketing really well. Other people know content creation. So when you could build, it's kind of like building a team. So you could build up your own space, and then you could start. You could enroll right here, and eventually Quora will pay you for your content. So there's a lot of good stuff you could do on here. So on my other one, it's called the Adult Life Space. I use that to promote my new blog. And just FYI here, you do not want to promote. Oh, excuse me on that. You do not want to promote like if you're going to run ads, like you want to come up here. Let's see where is it? Oh, I can't find it. But you can run ads right here, and you cannot promote adult stuff on your ads here. You could there's a couple of groups in here where you could get in there, or groups, spaces I should say, spaces where you could get in there and just have chit chat about that kind of stuff. But that's different. There's different marketing. Some people are just doing entrepreneur stuff. So maybe you want to spaces to follow. I got a lot of spaces right here with 9 point almost 5,000 followers where I could promote my YouTube videos. You can do the same thing. I'm pretty sure there's stuff in here for TikTok. Uh, you're a digital marketer. Here's a guide. So graphic the nine. I wouldn't say that one, but yeah. So back to over here. This is my spaces that I'm involved in. So if I'm promoting online marketing, I would go right here. And as you can see, I have to put my information in here. Put my information there, and then bam. Sometimes you go down here, you read the rules. All submissions will contain text and external link, so they're allowing you to have a link, uh, a Quora link. So, can you see the potential this has here? Quora. I never thought Quora was this powerful until recently. I mean, I would say about a month ago, because I'm not really a Quora guy. I'm more on YouTube, and you can see the power of these social medias. I mean, they're pretty strong to get your name, your product, your services out there, whatever you are doing. So you have a lot of potential out there, everybody. If I could start building a following, I actually did it more on my other one, my adult life. Um, if I could build that quick, I mean, it got built pretty quick. I mean, imagine what you can do. I would say stick with one. You know, if you're doing the entrepreneurial mindset thing, boom, right here, you got 78 contributors. Look at that, 2.1 million followers. If you could become a contributor in here, and let's see, to be a contributor, uh, you just apply for it. Let's see if they allow it on this one. Allow entrepreneur. Um, Usually you click, I know with your cell phone, if you click on following, it brings up uh, apply for contributor. Um, let's see. Maybe I could pick another one real quick. Uh, Affiliate success. So let's see if they have a contributor. Yeah, right there. Apply to contribute. So if I want to contribute here for affiliate success, I'm going to want to read their rules and everything. But look, that's 6.5 followers, 58 contributors, 7 posts a day. You could post your post on there and make it even better. So all you do is apply for contributors and let them know why. Let them know why that you would be a good candidate for their space on here. So anyway, everybody, I hope I didn't take up too much of your time. Uh, I hope you got some value out of this. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, give me a thumbs down. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. And feel free to share my videos with whoever. Thank you very much. Don't forget your goodies in the description below. And I will see you next time. Bye.